Greater than where we are. Listen, when God shows up through the future, better than what we felt before. Bakit? Meron bago tayong nakita. Meron tayong, I don't know, mahal na yung nagduduga pa rin sa mga pagkakawa. Ano ba nagigitin? Bakit tulad sa pinanganak? Kaya hindi na sabi ng iba. Kaya nga hindi sila, ayaw nilang makita. Parang wala lang sa kanila. Kasi sila yung pinanganak nasa major lang naman ng saban. Mas kapani-paniwala kapatid yung ipinanganak sa hotel, ipinanganak sa magandang lugar, sa parang.
Saan ko? Ilagay mo na.
Kapatid, si picture na ito, pinanganak doon. Mayroong isang Diyos na pinanganak doon. Pero hindi po siya, hindi sapagkat doon po siya pinanganak hanggang doon lamang ta. They were the first group and privilege to see the Lord Jesus Christ. You see, why is that? Because salvation starts, or the best of life starts from being saved. Look at the offer. Look at the offer. I don't know about you. Yung iba sa inyo rito, matagal naman kayo, naligtas kayo na may pera, pero nung naligtas kayo ay, Diyos, bakit nangyari ito din? You rest. Wala ko eh. Wala ka nang ina.
And I say, well, you don't have to do that. You may have to do that. We went in with those B2s. I think it looked like it was somebody put a very short period of time. They were very, and these guys went in and